Hey, looky there. I did a mock-up of a bumper. Actually looks pretty good from here. It's all made out of this chintzy fiberboard. Not quite 1/4 inch thick. Had a whole bunch of it laying around, so I think it looks pretty good. A little squared off on the corner here. I may change that when I decide to really build one. Next, just nailed it together. Put the off-road lights in there. Didn't want to have them on top of the bumpers. I think we'll put them inside. I kind of like it. May have to see about doing an angle, but when I build the real one. Like I said, this is just a mock-up. Square. May even work on having something angled down a little bit more, just to add some protection for the sway bar. It's actually built really close to the original dimensions for the stock bumper. Height-wise anyway, it sticks out a little bit more. And that's all adjustable. I may bring it in a little bit. But, yeah, I think overall it looks pretty good. Straight on. I think it looks good. I just gotta get a welder and a bunch of steel, learn how to use it. But, yeah, it took a couple hours, cut everything, put it all together. These are just some aluminum brackets I had laying around. They're actually off the canopy from that truck. Used to be a boat rack on it. Here's what they look like. They just happen to be about the right length. In fact, you can probably see it if I... Here's the bracket just sitting in there. One bolt holding it in, just to act as a mount. Ideally, I would like them to stick out this much, just a little thicker, and put a D-ring on the end of that. So it was a toss-up whether to put the off-road lights there or put them where the license plate would be. Two of them in the center. I chose the outboard side. So, I think that looks pretty good. If any luck, get a welder for 150, 200 bucks, 250, somewhere in there. I have no idea what the steel will cost, but buy one of those things on one of those bumpers through one of the shops online around here. It's probably going to cost you 500-600 bucks. I'll try to build my own. Anyway, I made a video last night of all the stuff I was doing to it. One of the things I mentioned was that I had adjusted the parking brake. It still does not work. So I'll have to investigate that. Anyway, the old cop car just sitting there. That's one of the projects. Later on, next project is to clean up the mess. But anyway, like I said, I think that looks darn good.